The world's biggest boy band has just dropped a bombshell, and unfortunately, this time around, viewers, it's not a new album. Global K-pop sensation BTS has refused to enter the 69th Grammy Awards, sending a powerful message to the music industry. The Grammys have a brand new Asian pop category, but instead of the celebration, it's triggering one of the biggest debates in the global music. After BTS refused to enter, the rest of K-pop is now also facing a difficult choice: compete, boycott, or risk being boxed into a separate category. BTS may have skipped the Grammys, but the controversy is only getting louder. The K-pop supergroup's decisions not to submit any music for the next Grammy Awards has left the entire Korean music industry at a crossroad. With the August 21 submission deadline approaching, entertainment companies are still undecided about whether to participate, and if they do, which category to choose. The dilemma centers around the Grammys' newly created Best Asian Pop Music Performance Award. Under the Grammy rules, a song entered in the Asian pop category cannot compete in other performances categories like the Best Pop Duo or the Group Performance. That means artists must choose: chase mainstream recognition or compete in the new regional category. For some BTS fans, the answer is simple. They believe that entering the new award would legitimize a category that separates Asian artists from the main competition. But others see it differently. Supporters argue that the new category could finally give many Asian artists their first real shot at Grammy recognition. Even inside the music industry, opinion remains divided. Some Grammy advisors say that the category is meant to increase Asian representation. But Grammy winning producer Sleep Dees claims that insiders believe BTS winning the inaugural award would have made the category instantly prestigious. But now, with the BTS out of the race, the spotlight has shifted to the rest of the K-pop. Will they follow BTS's boycott or compete for a historic first Grammy in the new Asian pop category? The answer could shape the future of Asian music at the Grammys. And to decode more on why BTS has chosen to walk away from the Grammys and what this could mean for the future of global music, I am being joined by Samreen Digankar, his content creator and a media professional. Samreen, thank you so much for taking out the time and joining me in this conversation. Samreen, my first question to you would be: there have been a lot of talks going around and a lot of controversy around this new Asian pop category. What is your take on this? Do you think that the BTS is making the correct choice with this decision of boycotting the Grammys and not giving their album for consideration?
Hi Nancy. Firstly, thank you so much for having me. I have been a BTS fan for as long as I remember. I have been their fan since 2015. It's a long time, and I have seen them grow from a small company and a small boy band to the global phenomena that they are right now. And honestly, as a media professional, if I have to keep my opinions as a fan and as a media professional, two different things, I feel what BTS did is absolutely correct because
Okay.
rejecting the Grammys is bigger than winning one. And I loved how they humbled the Grammys without even saying a single disrespectful word. Because for BTS, music has always they always wanted their music to be loved just as music and not separated by region or any language for that matter. And as we all say, BTS is a global phenomena. They are global artists. They are as equivalent as Beatles, and they have competed. They have sold out stadiums. They have never
Absolutely.
gone by the books, and the art. They have performed in the countries where none of the fans speak even the Korean. So still, they have sold out 98 stadiums. So bucketing them into any of the Asian category really doesn't make any sense. It is just very xenophobic and white of them, to be honest.
Well, Samreen, but there have been, I'm just trying to be the devil's advocate here. There have been a lot of voices that have spoken about how Asian artists deserve a place at the table at a global platform. But seeing the biggest Asian act decline that opportunity would, it's natural for some people to take it personally and be disappointed with BTS as well. Do you think that they're
Absolutely.
missing out on a big opportunity?
I feel this is very much as a self-respect that what BTS has done at this point, because if you see the article or the letter or the announcement that Grammys have put out after BTS saying they won't submit their into any of the categories and they had rejected Grammys, it said that the one of the biggest boy bands of the global boy band has refused to submit into any of the category for that matter.
Right.
So when they are acknowledging that this is one of the biggest boy band and a global boy band and not just the Asia boy band, why categorize them? So if I
Absolutely.
talk about from that lens, I don't think BTS has done anything right. It is very much as a self-respect, and and it is also a statement that we do not they or we do not need a validation from the whites anymore, and America cannot be the center for global music anymore. It has to be a global. It needs to be listened without any division of having a region or a city or a language or a race or anything as such. So yeah.
But Samreen, do you think that the Grammys' new Asian pop category is inclusive, or do you think that it's unintentionally divisive? Because the Grammys has come out, the Academy has said that they are disappointed that the BTS is not going to participate in it, but they have also defended the new category, saying that this is to promote inclusivity. But some feel that it's unintentionally dividing categories based on a lot of region, a lot of race. Do you think that this new category, even if it gives platform to a lot of Asian music platforms, which are not as big as BTS as of now, do you think that it's trying, they have done it, the intention was correct, but the method was not?
Absolutely, yes, because it is like I genuinely feel that America as a country has always been protective about not letting Asians enter their entertainment scene, and BTS just blew up. So yes, this category might help the artists who are not as big as BTS, but with regards to, we knew this was coming, that this would be a category that would be announced the moment Arirang blew up. So with regards to BTS, if I have to speak, yes, this is intentionally done, and this cannot be unintentional. But with regards to the other artists, if they are reaching Grammys, which means they don't need to be put into any of the categories per se. So, yeah.
Absolutely. But do you think that BTS rejecting the Grammys nomination this time around, they have not just taken a stand for themselves, but they have also, in a certain way, exposed a big identity crisis that has been going around in big platforms like Grammys, like Oscars, a lot of which have been, there have been multiple allegations against these record academies that they prefer the Western influence is clearly visible in the winners category and in the winners that we see in these platforms. Do you think that they have exposed that identity gap as well?
Absolutely. Like, I feel Grammys have used BTS and the pop culture, like the K-pop culture and the K-pop fans, right, left, and center. And especially, they have used BTS to an extent that after a point, we knew that BTS is not going to win. They are just using them for the global views and the recognition. So it is them creating this. New category says more about Grammys than the BTS. And honestly, BTS has always changed the music history. So I don't think so that, like, I feel this will also give a lot of new artists and a lot of other global artists to step up and speak for themselves, because our like, music is just music. It cannot be categorized, and America is not the central power for music. That's the statement that BTS is making. And at this point, Grammy needs BTS more than BTS needs Grammys, to be honest.
But do you, I'm just trying to think out loud. There are other Asian pop categories as well. Do you think that after BTS's boycott, do you think that other Asian pop groups are going to follow the same route and boycott the Grammy? Or do you think that it should be a nice opportunity for lesser known Asian pop category and Asian pop groups to seize the opportunity and take the separate lane that has been created for Asian artists for more representation in the Grammys, as the Academy likes to put it?
I feel most of the artists would definitely follow the path what BTS has followed, because this is also about self-respect. So they should follow it. So I genuinely feel that most of them would follow what BTS has done. But yes, it could also act as an opportunity for so many artists. So it could go either ways as well. So yeah.
So much, Samreen, for taking out the time and joining me on the broadcast. For now, all eyes are on BTS and the Grammy battle that has been unfolding in the global arena.
Thank you so much for having me.